In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website on Lovable. Let's dive right in and get started with creating your own space on the web in just a few simple steps. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Lovable website. Just type in lovable.dev and hit enter. Once you're there, the homepage is where you'll find all the resources you need to build a website effortlessly. Now, as you look across the top or maybe in the menu options, find the section labeled Website and go ahead and click on it. Lovable makes it super straightforward to get started, and this is where the magic begins. Moving on to the next screen, you'll see a variety of options under a section called From the Community. This is a great place to find inspiration and see what others have created. Click on the option for website here, setting you up to explore further. After you've clicked on that, you'll be greeted by a preview page. This preview gives you a nifty overview of what your website could look like. So take a moment to explore this space, recognizing how customizable and easy to use it is. At this stage, you might find the Create Your Own button, and you'll want to click that to start the process of crafting your unique website, especially if you're keen on crafting something tailored just for you. If you already have a Lovable account, it's time to log in. Look for the Sign In option, likely at the top right corner of the page or within a drop-down menu. Click on it and enter your credentials to access the full suite of features Lovable offers. The platform provides an intuitive interface that helps streamline the website creation process. Once you're logged in, Lovable's AI helps with the initial setup of your site. Now, this is where your creativity can truly shine. Lovable's platform allows you to customize your new website to your heart's content. Click on any text within your website to change the content quickly and easily. Images, those are adjustable too. Just click on them to either replace existing ones or upload fresh visuals. Looking to expand your site? Consider adding sections like About, Services, Contact, or even a blog to share ongoing updates and stories. Further refinement of your site design is available through the right-hand editor panel. This is your go-to spot for tweaking the visual elements. Adjust the colors, switch up the fonts, and perfect the spacing. Experiment with different layouts until it feels just right for you. In just a matter of minutes and a few clicks, you've crafted your very own website thanks to Lovable's user-friendly tools. Feel free to share your creation with the world and explore further customization options as you grow and build your online presence. That's all for our guide today. Go ahead and take full advantage of all Lovable has to offer.